So let's understand contact center, admin center, what are the things are there. If you see contact center, admin center, okay, I'm just going to contact center, admin center app again, fresh opening. So if you see contact center, admin center, it's loading. Basically it is having your left navigation pane, which is categorized as 4 sections. Okay, get started, customer support, agent experience, and operations. And then center is your center pane, which exactly covering how you set up your connection widgets, how set up your conversation widgets, set up your co-pilots. Okay, along with that, health, along with your default contact center, and all these things are there. And the right side is having all your admin apps, basically what is required, along with quick links. So let's start with agent experience. If we go to agent experience, it is basically agent experience having categorized under 4 category. Okay, one is workspace, productivity, knowledge, and collaboration. So workspace point of view, if we want to see what is workspace is containing, workspace contains different capabilities. If you see agent experience profile, session templates, application tab templates, notification, other things. Let's start with what is agent experience profile. If I click this manage, you can see there are different default workspaces are available. Let's say customer service workspace default. Let's open, let's see what are the parameters normally available. So if you see in this default workspace, right, you can see one is user. You can add users to this workspace. That means whatever the configuration settings we are doing in this workspace, whoever user will be added to this workspace will be governed by that actually. Okay, you see that their contact center workspace will be governed by this. So it has, like, for example, entity session template, it has case entity session default template is used, and productivity pane, what is the default mode expanded, and other things. If you see, this is edit disabled, you cannot edit this. Okay, these are the defaults, only you can do edit on this. It is so enabled actually. Okay, so closed items, voice, email, voicemail, what exactly capabilities they work, you can configure there. And Copilot AI capabilities, and these are the settings are there. So if you can see, there are different categories. One is user, then entity session templates. After entity session templates, there are productivity pane, then inbox settings, and there are channel providers, then Copilot AI features. This is high level agent experience profile contains. So now let's say you are not satisfied with all these profiles, you want to create your own workspace. You can click this new, create new agent experience profile. Let's say I want to create a manager profile. Okay, so then I'm giving a unique name underscore manager profiles, something I'm adding. It's creating profile. Once the profile is created, if you see, it's showing up what are the features normally it is available. Basically, if you can see, it is showing, it's showing what are the features are there. One is users, it's showing required. So let's add few users first. For me, I have no user created so far. I'm just adding for the demo point of view, support user. So now user is added. Okay, so now what next? Entity session template. Let's say if you want to create, you can add here, create entity session templates. Let's say you want to enable some productivity pane. Okay, so if you can see what are the productivity panes normally required, from the agent standpoint, it's showing. If I click this check, it's enabled. Default mode is collapsed. If you want, you can expand it. So now if you can see, there are different features also available. Okay, you can see what are the productivity tools are there. So agent scripts is there, teams chat is there, smart assist is there, and copilot. It's self-explanatory if you see all these features. And join a team, knowledge search, more or less we saw in our previous demo. This is also available. Okay, so let's say I want to make copilot on. I want to make what are the features I want. Let's say join a teams calls, something. I'm just randomly selecting. Agent script is not required for manager. I'm not setting that up. So inbox point of view, you see this is all about close work item, show, then my work item. You can see, you can show and hide, you can toggle it. Okay, so even if you want, you can edit it also. See, if you want, you can change also any items. Okay, so anyways, I don't want to do any changes here. Okay, so now channel providers, if you can see, it's showing what are the channel providers. If you want to enable, you can see omni-channel, this all active channels you can enable, or this if you have any third-party channel also you can enable here. So I'm not enabling this for the time being, but I just want to show what are the features that are available. For example, productivity, this one we saw, inbox we saw, and then copilot AI capability point of view, you can see what are the features you want to enable. You can enable this. Okay, if you don't want anything, you can stop it. Then entity session view. Okay, new entity session template. Okay, it's coming to hard. You can put a entity session template. So unique name, by right it should be having a prefix. Okay, so that's why it is showing some error. I added the unique name, like whatever the unique name, and then if you see, it is enabled. Okay, save and close. Okay, if you see whatever we created, it is coming off. I just click this add, save and close. Okay, so this is a template added over here. So now I'm going back to see whatever profile we added, manager profile, you see this is now active, which we added. Okay, so this is how you can create workspace. That's all for today.